up, love babies? Welcome back to another of my videos. Today's video is going to be a thrift flip, and the first one that we're going to be doing are these bell-bottom jeans that I found at the thrift store. They were like $3, I think. So yeah, but I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I don't know if I'm gonna do a voiceover or what. Let me tell y'all the idea for these pants that we have here. I'm thinking about doing rips on the knees and like at the bottom, like ripped. Like, you know how y'all been seeing them jeans where like the bottom is like ripped? That's what I'm trying to do for these pants. First, you're gonna need a highlighter to tell you where you want to do the rips at. Cut these pants up and we're gonna see how this works so far. Okay, so here what the pants look like after I ripped them. I ripped them at the knee a little bit, and on the bottom at the back they look like really weird right now, but I'm about to take them in on the side with my sewing machine to make them skinny leg. Okay, so now it's time for me to take my jeans in, so I'm basically about to show y'all how I do that. Okay, first you just about to put your pants on inside out, and you need to know what part you need to take it in on. I'm just gonna get my pins. Well, this really ain't a taking in jeans tutorial, but I'm basically just about to pin it in there. Okay, but now so basically I'm just about to DIY on these jeans, and I'm basically gonna paint some sunflowers on them, but I'm gonna start by doing the outline of how I want the sunflowers to look. Okay, so now I'm basically just about to paint the pants. I just got done painting the jeans. They look really good, so I'm about to show y'all. Okay, y'all, what's good? Okay, finally we are at the final thing. Sorry. And I'm going to be making these hair flowers. I haven't made these before. I didn't get these at the store, actually. I got these from Dollar Tree, but they're still cheap. They were $1. And I'm basically just gonna put them on some hair clips or these, I don't know, whichever one works out. Where are my scissors? And I got a glue gun. I'm definitely not a DIYer. I'm not telling y'all nothing, okay? I'm about to just cut the stem. Cut it, bow, cut it, bow, cut it. We gonna figure out how to do this together because, I think I know how I wanna do it. So first, you gonna cut like pretty close. You gonna cut real close to that, like And you're gonna get your clip from me. Get it glue too. You're gonna take your hot glue gun and you're gonna put it on them two side parts right there. Oh, don't get on your finger. Oh, I just got on my finger. All right, then you gonna put your thing like through, like lay it on there. Mainly just like get that flower part down on there and push it down. And boom. You got a hair flower. All right, you guys, this is the end of the video. If you got this far, thank you so much. I know I look a mess right now but I'm mad hungry. I'm gonna go eat some pizza. I'm sorry if this video was a little unorganized. I feel like it really was. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the stuff that I made, comment down below. Comment down below heart, sunflower. I don't care. Comment down an emoji, something, so that I know you watched the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. Shout out to my mom for giving me this creativity, and bye.
I scuff my Gucci's up, running from the Jakes. But it don't matter, long as I gotta wait. The police snatched me up, I think I the Satan. A case, I'm trying to cop a Wraith. I aim it, you gon' need another face. And I still Hennessy, I don't need no chase. Cops get behind me, watch me take them on a chase.